Hello. Okay, we're gonna get started on Rest Not. Da, 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 da. This song has a tenor part and a bass part, but there's some parts of it that have little tiny notes, and I'm gonna tell you how we're gonna split that. But today, moving backwards, I digress. We are going to only go to measure 21. So the first thing you need to do, so you know where 21 is write in your measure numbers on the piano part, please, of this song. So you'll find the measure, write a number, and then you'll see a bar line. Write the number, bar line, write the number, bar line. When you pop down to the next section of music, you're going to find this little squiggly bracket, and that'll be where the piano part is, and you'll continue your numbering. And then down here at the bottom as well. So first 9 measures at the beginning. We do not start singing until measure 4 right here. The tenors obviously are on the top part, basses are on the bottom. Let me zoom in here real quick. In this song, it starts off with 3 sharps. So on our sharps, the sharp that is closest to the music. So the music happens over here, which means that this guy are the ones closest to the music. In sharps, the last sharp closest to the music is T. So this space note is T, and this space note way up here is T. So basses, you kind of got off easy because you just move it up to this next line, and that tells you where Do is. Tenors, you can either count from T down, or you can go up to this high Do, but let's count down since we're gonna deal mostly with stuff on the staff. So you have T, La, So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. So your Do is on the first space. So if you remember F, A, C, E, or good boys do fine always, that tells you that we're in the key of A at the beginning of this song. So Do is on the second space or the top line. All right, starting off our music, measure 4. We had Do on the second space, so tenors you can use if Do is on a space, then Mi is on a space, and So is on a space to start off your solfege. And then you pop down a skip. So, Fa is on the line, Mi is on the next space. Basses, you are on Do on the top line here, so Do, Ti, La, So is on this space note down here. And then our top line is Do, so you have your second note is Do. Tenors, you're stepping down now on the word 4, Mi, down to Re, and then up a step and up a step. And then we're moving down steps now, Mi, Re, Mi. Down on the next line, you can use what you know up here. That was a Mi, stayed on Mi, boom. And basses, same space note down here. So, top line is Do, move up a step, and then stay there. And then look, it's kind of a repeat, tenors. You have the same pattern, same even here. And basses, same thing going on here. So that's our first page. Second page. Let me change my color. First I'm going to do my measure numbers. And we're almost done because this whole page takes us to 20. We're going to measure 21, which means only one measure on the next page. On the page previous, boop, 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 tenors, you were doing Re, Mi, and then if you move it up a step, that's going to be Fa, and then moving down, Mi, Re, Do, and then stepping up one, Re. And then the next note stays on Re. Sorry that it's kind of difficult to see there. And now we're moving down to measure 13. We were on Re, which was a line note, and now we're moving down to Mi, Mi, and then up. Oh, sorry. Re, hello. Boop, boop. Sorry, I got a text message at the same time as trying to write. Steps down, so you're on do, do, re. Stays on re for a while. Steps up to mi and skips down to home base. Stay on do for a little bit. Then we're stepping up to re. Now we have a big jump. Re, mi, fa, so is the space note. And then it skips, so, fa is on the line, and mi is on a space. Bases! Spend some time with you. So this space note right here, do is on a line. So the space underneath do would be T, but this natural is taking away the sharp on that space that is in our key signature. So that natural is making it a te. And then the next would also be te. And then once we hit the bar line, everything goes back to normal for that te. But if you remember, that space was so, and then we have so again. Popping down here, stepping up from so up to a line, la, la. Now this is just normal T because it doesn't have a natural. T, 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 step it up to do. And then back again, the same line note is here. So that's a la as well. Pattern is the same here with a bunch of T's, and then we end on do. Down at the bottom, tenors, we're on mi, but that top space was so, and we're back up on the top space. Got a lot of so's in a row. So, fa, mi, re is this line note. Step up to mi, fa, step down, mi, and then here's our home base. Do, do, jump up, mi, and re. And the last note on the page, home base, do. Bases, we were on do up here. We're going one under do. So we have T, 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 whole measure of T, T. And then pump down to low so. And then here's our home base, do. Now this is a skip down. Do, T is on the space. So la is this line note. Here's home base, do. And then T, do. And measure 21. Everybody ends on do. So that's to get us started on this song. You are more than welcome to work ahead. This will still be do the whole thing by Friday, but I will make another video for the next sections. So happy writing. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.